Welcome back to the Backyard Homesteader. I'm Priscilla, and today is Vlogmas Day 18. I recorded this presentation for this graphic that you're seeing here. I've got, how many pages did I do? I did 8 pages, showed you all my steps, and forgot to hit the record button. So I'm still going to share this template with you. And I just wanted to come on here real quick and just go over a few things with you. So I started out with my 8.5 by 11 like normal. And then I just went to the templates. And then, for instance, this was a checklist. I picked a checklist, or actually a to-do list. So I go to-do list. And then, if you have Pro, you can pick some of these cool ones and adjust them from there. I just had to come and find one. I use this one here to get all these lines and all these little squares. We made them green to match the logo up here, the little corner thing. It was quite interesting. We made a little budget for your Christmas. Excuse me. And then my Christmas moments. So this is actually a page where you could journal. And then actually, now that I'm looking at this, I need to duplicate this page and move it up so this can be a continuation page for the memories, the journal page. So I think one more. Yeah, so my Christmas moments. So there's a journal page and then a continuation page from there. A naughty list, a nice list. My Christmas recipe. This one was a little challenging, but we got through it. May not be perfect, but you can always adjust these however you would like. So I hope that you enjoy these. I sure have a whole lot of fun making them. And just to let you know, I do have this is free for you. This is, I think, what did I say? 8 pages, 9 pages now. 9-page Christmas template for you for absolutely free. I'm going to be sending it to all of my subscribers on my email list. Now, if you're not on my email list, you'll want to get on there. Go to the backyardhomesteader.com. And over here to the right, it says right here, yes, please sign me up to receive your newsletter. Just put in your name and email address there, and that'll get you signed up on my newsletter. This was my Vlogmas post. There's new things coming to this website that I have here, but this is where you sign up for the newsletter, okay? And then this is something different that I did. I made a page, there's 5 pages of frames that you can pull in family photos for a Christmas memories journal. This one is going to be a paid item. It's not free. So when you get your email and you collect your freebie from me, the 9-page freebie, you'll have the option to purchase this if you'd like, or you can simply make it yourself. Okay. All right, guys, I think that is it on the tutorial. Now I'm just going to show you a couple of other things that I have made for Christmas that I forgot to share with you on my live on Saturday. Okay, cool. Let's get going.
Okay, so here's the stuff I forgot to share with you on yesterday. No, this would have been Saturday, a couple days ago. All right, let me just show you real quick because they're pretty cool. Okay, so then there's this hat, right? So this is a beanie and it's got a hole in it so I can put my bun on, my messy bun. And then we have a few other things. So this is actually, sorry, earthquake. This is actually similar to the one I have on. It's just a little different. And you've seen this on me. Sunday's video. I had this one on in the beginning and then I got hot and took it off. But it's got the hole in the top for ponytail, messy bun, which I tend to have a lot. So this is just a white one. And I kind of like the way the ribbing is on this one. This one's fine, but honestly, this is my fave right here. Okay, and then here is another beanie that, this is the one that's the rectangle, and you just, Ritzy, no. You okay, Daddy? You don't have to, whatever. Okay. Anyway, so this is another one of the hats. So it's pretty cool. This is it with the heavier weight yarn. It's like a 5 weight. So it's kind of big, but it's very warm. And, you know, I don't like tight beanies. I just don't. I like them to be nice and slouchy. This one actually looks tight, but it's not. It's kind of perfect. I kind of rolled it up because it was a little too long. But yeah, so just have fun with it. Use the yarn you have already. And then last but not least, check this out. This is an ornament, and so this is just cardboard I just cut out, but this is where you could put a photo in here, right? It's so awesome. It's so easy. It's just a circle, and then you have this double crochet that you go around, and then you just crochet this top here. It's so stinking easy, and you can like personalize ornaments for the tree, for either your tree, your grandkids' tree, or anybody, right? You can put your dog in here. You can make these any color you want. Of course, I love pink and purple, so there you go, pink and purple. But yeah, so really cool, easy peasy, very easy. If you want this, if you want the directions on this before Christmas so you can make it, just comment below and I'll make a video and make sure you have it, so you have plenty of time to make this. Okay, all right, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I am loving Vlogmas. I hope you're enjoying it as well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.